Hey, how's it going, guys? Zach Carell here. We got John Graves, my buddy Jason out here. We are setting trout lines.
What up, y'all?
All right, guys. Absolutely beautiful.
Man, look at the scene on there. That just looks gorgeous.
This 58 should pass. She was born in 1962. Also, past April.
That's a young age.
Yes, it is.
Zach is going to get. We better put some limb lines up there, Jason.
I only got one ready. I started setting them up, and next thing you know, got to get in the water close and disable people with the dock.
Right, guys. These Port Arthur limb lines.
So we had to,
Just adjust your float like so.
You have pretty bad internet connection right over here in this part of the lake.
I got a nice shad head on there. So these are the Port Arthur limb lines. I got the bait right here. Once I float out away from the tree, I'm just going to drop the bait right there. All right, man. Remember, in Ohio and in most states, you have to have your name and your address on your limb lines. So these limb lines, the little plastic thing, the marker, where they make it easy to write your name on there. So you just write it on there with a Sharpie. And man, these guys, these are just so fast and easy. I'm really impressed with them. Beautiful evening, guys. So this is what I'm talking about right here. All right, these are Port Arthur limb lines. And me and Jason and John are just out here playing with them tonight. And we're having ourselves a redneck time. So I got a few of these ready. So boy, let me tell you, let me just make a comment that the iPhone just takes phenomenal videos at night now in low light conditions. So kudos to Apple that you guys are seeing this. So this is the setup right here, right? So you see I got my name on there, my address. I might have to blur that out. Don't want my address on there. You might not be able to read my writing. Hopefully the game warden can. So you can have 6 of these out on a lake that's 700 acres or less. And Johnny is gonna get some bait off of me over here. And Jason's coming over for some bait. And man, we're gonna put some lines out. We'll see how we do, guys. So we'll keep you informed, and hopefully we catch some big channel cats tonight, maybe a flathead. So stay tuned, guys.
Little channel cat, I think.
John's got one over here. You can hear him talking. Catfish talk to you. Say, here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Little fella.
Hearing that, something to say
He'd
about
make a little sandwich, wouldn't he?
Yeah, and that's a couple fillets on him.
Hey, Port Arthur Instant Limb Line from Augusta, Arkansas, redneck capital of the world.
Yes, sir. Get you some catfish.
It's a good omen.
All right, this is on the shad head. I had it there, Port Arthur limb line. My first channel cat. I think Johnny's got one, and I've got one. So. All right, guys, let's reset it. I actually still have the head. I'm going to reuse it. Yeah, buddy. Let's keep her going.
Dimensions are slick.
We got a collision going on here.
Oh.
Watch yourself.
Like I said, dimensions are slippery. But yeah, what is this?
Hey, turn that headlamp off for a second. There you go. Now we'll turn ours on. That way we can see. Got a light on him or anything? I can't see shit. Mine's not really Mine's not really coming out. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, I could get some good video. I'm getting some good video. I just can't see him because he's behind a bush.
What is that? Probably like a
It's green.
channel cat or something.
Yeah, I believe so. I'm just used to seeing them bluer, you know?
Oh, yeah.
But they come in different colors. That's the thing. Which appears to be, is this a female?
Hold that bitch up there. And then shine your light. Hold it down by your crotch and shine your light down on it. There you go.
There we go.
Light. There you go. That's a cool picture there.
So that's Port Arthur limb lines in action, guys. So easy, so much fun. Man, we're having a blast tonight. This is freaking cool.
Yeah, as you can see, she ain't nothing to brag about, but if you was wanting food or get a fish fry going on, it's a start.
Oh yeah.
We're probably gonna let this one go though. I'm not sure this is not.
Yeah, we're catching, releasing everything, guys, and
Stopping at Arby's, getting a 2 for 6 fish deal.
All right.
Awesome. Yeah, let that bitch go.
All right. Like I said, I like tools right now.
there's Jason with another one.
That's a whopper.
Oh yeah, monster.
Still a catfish. Yeah, you're gonna have to do some surgery on this one, bub. Follow me.
Well, this is actually my catch, but I had Jason come over here and help me. He was wrapped up in some tree limbs up there under there.
Sting mule shit. He's a nice one.
Yeah, good little eater. We're throwing them all back, guys.
Yep, don't worry.
Yep. Sweet. Another nice channel cat, guys. And we got a flathead or another big channel cat on the other line, so.
We gotta go.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Zach's out getting it done with the Port Arthur limb lines.
Yes, sir. Boy, that's a nice one. Big, heavy girl. Boy, biting, biting me good. She's eating some mussels out here. Oh, yeah. Port Arthur limb lines, guys.
Hold that bad boy up there, Zach. Let's see her. Turn that light around.
Hey, I appreciate everybody for watching. We had a lot of fun the other night. Me, Johnny, and my buddy Jason. We went out and caught a bunch of catfish on these limb lines. And man, we had a blast. These are Port Arthur limb lines. They're fast, they're easy. They're reliable. I do change the hooks at them. I put some Gamakatsus on there, some 5s. They do come with swivels to replace the swivels on these. I think the newer versions, you won't have to replace the swivels on them. But man, I'm really impressed with these, you know. They're a lot of fun. They're great for family camping trips. You know, if you're going to head out to the lake for the weekend and you got your family with you, you know, get you some of these and throw a box in your camping gear. And you guys have a lot of fun with these. Also throw a few in your bug out bag. You know, you're getting ready to survive. You're getting ready for when the crap hits the fan. You can definitely survive with Port Arthur limb lines. I'm pretty impressed with these guys. We had a blast, and I'm really happy. I actually got out. I got to do a lot of fishing this month. I've been busy, but man, it was nice getting out there and having a lot of fun. You can check these guys out at limline.com. They're working on their social media presence right now. It's still a fairly new company, and you should be seeing these in Bass Pro Shops here soon. So they're working on a deal to get these on the shelves over at Bass Pro Shop and Walmart. So many awesome places. Check them out, guys. Thanks for watching. You can follow Yak Legion on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and on your favorite podcast app like Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Podbean, the works, guys. Check it out. Thanks for watching.